Oh, absolutely. It's been interesting to watch this play out, Madison. The lawsuit claims the social media giants TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Snapchat violated Washington's public nuisance law, claiming they created a mental health crisis in Seattle public schools. Their superintendent, Brent Jones, told King 5 that they feel that this is creating a worse problem for students, saying that young people everywhere are facing unprecedented learning and life struggles that are amplified by the negative impacts of increased screen time, unfiltered content, and potentially addictive properties of social media. Now, one local dad I spoke to shared how social media is impacting his family. This father of 7 has enough on his hands.
Cannon, there's a light right there. You got to watch out.
Without having to worry about what his teenagers are doing or seeing on social media.
Vaping or doing whatever they're trying to do, dress sexily at a, not that age where it's really okay to do that yet.
But in today's world, he says his teens spending lots of time on social seems to be the reality.
They can put out whatever they want of themselves on the internet. And that's kind of dangerous.
And they're not alone. According to Seattle Public Schools, last year, nearly 1 in 3 Washington teenagers spent more than 3 hours a day on social media on average. Seattle Public Schools lawyers tell King 5 that excessive and problematic use of social media is leading to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem, among other things, and says SBS has been significantly impacted by a resulting mental health crisis. Their suit alleges that teens' brains aren't fully developed, and they consequently lack the same emotional maturity, impulse control, and psychological resiliency as other more mature users. That's something Sarvella echoed, adding that when his teens see something that is
beyond their maturity level, it can really affect how kids see themselves, see other people, see their lives around them.
But at the same time, Sarvella doesn't blame his kids.
I was trying to kind of show off as I was younger, and I can see where they're coming from.
He's just doubtful whether a lawsuit will help. Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, responded to SPS's suit, saying they want teens to be safe online, automatically setting teens' profiles to private and sending notifications, encouraging them to take regular breaks. Google, which owns YouTube, responded similarly, adding that they provide parents with the ability to set reminders, limit screen time, and block specific types of content on supervised devices. Supervising devices is something Sarvella says is key.
So we try to get them to time out so that then they can, no, guys.
But he also says sometimes, amid the chaos,
yeah, weekends are tough.
A little screen time can be a positive thing. And Superintendent Jones says he's confident and hopeful that this lawsuit is the first step toward reversing this trend for students. And here at King 5, we have also reached out to Snapchat and TikTok for a response to the suit, but have not yet heard back. Madison?